Turn your life around with these 5 steps for overcoming negativity. In today's presentation, I'm going to teach you how to turn your life around with 5 steps for overcoming negativity. Many people find themselves in a constant cycle of negativity, with no clue on how to break the cycle. Unfortunately, when you find yourself stuck in a life of negativity, you dramatically decrease your chances of finding your true purpose in life. Fortunately, you can overcome the negativity and turn your life around. Here are 5 steps to help you overcome negativity and find your life's purpose. Step number 1. Banish naysayers. If you try to make positive changes in your life, you may come across people in your life that may actively try to sabotage your efforts by telling you you'll never make it. They have a vested interest in your failures because if you can successfully change, then they'll be forced to reevaluate their own lives. If you find that you have naysayers in your life, it's best to cut ties and move on with your life. Step number 2. Surround yourself with inspirational people. If you want to change your life and overcome the negativity, you have to surround yourself with positive people. You need to find people who will inspire and motivate you to accomplish what you've set out to do. Do whatever it takes to create new friendships with inspirational people. Step number 3. Meditate. You can start to build a positive attitude and decrease stress when you learn to meditate. Meditating on a regular basis will help you improve your mental acuity and give you hope by helping you reframe your problems and manage obstacles. Step number 4. Create visual reminders of your goals. To help you overcome negativity and discover your authentic self, create visual reminders of your goals. You can create a vision board of things that inspire you and the things you want to achieve. Visual reminders of what you want to accomplish will stimulate your brain and make you feel good about your life. Step number 5. Be grateful. It can be extremely easy to get mired down by all the things that go wrong and the losses you've suffered. Being grateful for what you have provides you with a healthier perspective and will open the door for receiving more good in your life. Gratitude has been shown to help relieve stress, reduce depression, and reframe your thinking. If you are stuck in an endless loop of negativity, following these simple steps will help you break the cycle and shift your mindset. Once you release the negative thinking, you'll be better able to focus on discovering your true calling.